War party, moving closer. I see red! Fuel tanks exposed! We win!
Not sure what I'm supposed to do with that, man. It doesn't seem to have a... Can I harpoon it? Maybe. Let's try that. There we go.
What hallowed relics do you think
Ha!
it holds?
Nice! That's what's up, Felice. That's how it's done, man. Holy shit. Boom! Tons of scrap on that shit. Oh, that was awesome. Thank you, Snow Kitty. Wonderful suggestion. Fucking brilliant, actually. Let's mess some things up. Oh, jeez! Oh, man. What are you doing? Jerk. Bonk. Goodbye. Harpooned and run over. Let's take a quick break here and let him fix the car.
Wait here.
Oh, fix the car. I'm not gonna... Yeah, dude, that was more than that. It was like almost 20, I think. That was a lot of scrap for pulling that thing out of the sand. Buried. That was pretty awesome. That was pretty awesome. Good job.
The harpoon! We use the magnum opus to pull it down!
What harpoon? What? Coming. Third.
Stop it! It will tear that tire right off!
Harpoon's awesome.
No, my eyes well up. My home, my chapel, my sanctum, my sacristy.
Oh, yeah. Awesome.
Profane nothingness.
There might still be something here.
Fucking threaten my dog, I will drag your ass around.
My buddy! Dune Popper, she lives yet?
Sturdier than it looks. There you are.
Yay!
Found food and water too.
Bucky! Oh, you are the best! Yay, Rusty! Oh, Rusty! Oh, Dinky Die is his name? Yay! Dinky, what a good dog! 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 He wins every day. Oh man, I'm so fucking happy that the dog is still alive.
Tired you racing so deftly in the long waters. Oh,
I'm taking it back to Jeet's fortress.
Taking
it back.
Okay. God. What a great feeling. What a great feeling. The dog's still alive. Look at him back there, just chilling. Just being a dog. Being my dog. No owie on the paw. Yeah, and he had some time to fucking... some time to recoup. Let me pull this up. I bet they put a lot of work into this thing. That's why. I need to do this. Oh, oops. Maybe standing a little close. 6. Scrap. Puppies! Oh man, I'm so happy. Yeah, you're right. His fucking paw is all good. He's chilling. He's all happy. He was just sitting there waiting all... whatever. Look at him. He's so good. He's all smiley and happy. Great dog. Good dog. Good dog. We're out of here. Let's get back to Jeets.
Which way?
Which way? Yeah, I asked the dog. Dog, where are we going? Wolf? Woo! Yeah, that's right, because these guys exploded. Oh, shit, yeah. Some fuel on it, too. Exactly what I was looking for. Oh, what am I doing? Forgot to hit the button. No! No, 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 no! Fuck! Oh well. Oh my god. Mommy, I love you, so it's okay, says the dog. I know. Dude, dogs are the